promising news on the vaccine front. In a hearing before members of Congress, drug makers vowed to ramp up production.
We recognize the need to vaccinate more people more quickly and have worked hard to significantly increase production.
Pfizer and Moderna say they'll provide the U.S. government with a total of 220 million doses by the end of March. That's up sharply from the roughly 75 million shipped so far. And while the vaccine has been approved for people 16 and up, many families are asking what about their kids? Both companies have clinical trials underway for 12 to 15-year-olds.
The question is, will they be able to get approval and start shipping it out and getting it into arms before school starts in September?
Dr. Jay Berger, ProHealth's chair of pediatrics, says it's standard procedure for researchers to test drugs in adults first and then move down in age groups. While it may be concerning for parents to not know when their child can receive the shot, Dr. Berger says children have generally fared better than adults with this virus.
I think that you need to vaccinate people that are most at risk of having poor outcomes. As that interim time period where the parents and grandparents are vaccinated, children aren't, it's not such a horrible situation.
Also today, Dr. Anthony Fauci recommends even when you've been fully immunized, it's a good idea to avoid settings where people congregate, like indoor dining and movie theaters, at least for now. Fauci also advising keep that mask on to not infect others.
It is unclear whether when you get vaccinated, and you might be protected from clinical disease, that you could conceivably be infected, have virus in your nasopharynx, and at that same time have no symptoms.
And more hopeful news on the vaccine front. There's late word tonight that Johnson & Johnson could be asking for emergency authorization, emergency approval for their vaccine as soon as this Friday. A single-dose vaccine with less stringent storage requirements could be a game changer in the race to get as many shots in the arms as possible. Live tonight on the East Side, I'm Shirley Chan, Pix 11 News.